greatness. It's Ashley from Ashley Makes It, and I'm back with another video. So, in celebration of Valentine's Day, I've come to you guys to help all of you last minute betties. That's right, all of you guys who haven't even thought about what you're going to get your significant other for Valentine's Day. I'm here to help you guys out. So, I know that you could probably just head on over to Walmart, pick up that single red rose in that little plastic bag, get the little teddy bear that's sitting next to it, and if you really like them, you'll throw in a bag of M&Ms or something. And all that is fine and dandy, It's the thought that counts, is what they tell us or whatever. But it's 2019, you guys. You really should be trying much harder with your gifts. So at the very least, get them something that you know they're going to enjoy. Something custom is always great. Something that's always unique to them. Something you know that they like. So that's what I'm here for today, is to show you guys a few different gifts that that are unique that you can give to someone, and things that won't bust your budget. Because I know the government still shut down and people broke and EBT and all that craziness is happening right now. So a lot of folks ain't even thinking about this holiday currently. But I'm telling you guys, everybody needs a little bit of joy in their life in order to let all that stress go. So today I'm coming to you with a really common DIY. It's probably all over YouTube. You've probably seen it 1,000 times already. But just to refresh your memory, I have come to you with a quick and easy box of flowers DIY, and everything that I got it from the Dollar Tree. It cost me less than, how much did it cost me? Like less than $10 for everything, So, and it all ended up being really fast. Took me like about an hour to get everything done, and it was super worth it. It came out really pretty, and my mom has already claimed it. So, so much for who I thought I was gonna give it to. But hey, they didn't know I was gonna give it to them, so I guess it don't hurt. What you don't know won't hurt you. All right, you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you're interested in seeing how I made this cute little Valentine's DIY, just keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a great. Give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this from me. And leave me a comment down below. Like, let me know if you give this DIY a try. Just at me at Ashley Makes It all over social media. And tell me what you guys plan on doing for your Valentine's Day. I'm excited to see what everybody does, because I'm just so sweet and all, and I'm a mushy-gushy kind of person. So, anyways, if you're interested in seeing what I do, how I do it, just keep on watching.
You're going to need a box, floral foam, ribbon, spray paint, tape, double-sided tape preferably, scissors, glue, and flowers. Start by spray painting your box. I'm going with black, and I'm using this enamel spray paint to make it a little bit glossy. Now I'm gluing the top of the box to the bottom of the box with my glue, as you can see here. I'm only putting the glue in the corners of the lid. No need to put it all over, just where the bottom meets the top. So I ended up going with this pink ribbon instead. I got it from Walmart, and it was also $1.10. So not much of a price difference. And now I'm using this double-sided tape to attach the ribbon to the box. It'll keep it from sliding around while I'm tying the bow, because I was struggling before. Okay, go ahead and throw your foam inside of the box and move it to the side. Now grab your flowers and let's get ready to take off leaves and stickers and anything else that we don't want. I'm using one of the flowers to measure how tall I want them all to be, and then I'm going to use that flower to measure out all of the rest. So I'm just using it as a guide to cut all of the rest of my flowers. So measure, cut, and repeat until you get the desired amount of flowers. Now as for the easy part, you're just going to take your stems and stick them directly inside of the foam, pushing them down to the length that you want them, or the height that you want them to be. You can put them as close or as far away as you want. I want mine kind of close because I want to get as many in there as possible. I'm filling the middle part of the flower bouquet with these rose blooms, and I just kept the rose buds on the outside. That's just the look I was going for, but you can put all rose buds or all rose bloom, or you can even put different color flowers in the center or make a letter. I've seen that done before, or put just one different color in the center, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you just fill until you're satisfied, fluff them out, strain anything out that you want, and that's pretty much it, you guys. See, that was really simple and it didn't take long at all. So just make any tweaks that you feel necessary. You could stop here, throw your card there with their name on it, write a little love note, and pass them to them like that. I just put a sticker that I made in there. It says Boss Made. Isn't it cute? But you can stop here if you choose. If not, you can personalize it more, put their name on it, put a little label.
Okay, guys, so I was basically done with this DIY. I was basically done with this DIY when my mother came home and basically decided that these flowers were hers now and said that I bet not take them off her kitchen table. So I was like, you know what? I done spent a whole good hour, you know what I'm saying, doing this together, making it cute. How you know what I want to do with it? You know what I'm saying? That's what I was thinking in my head. I ain't say it to her, but I was thinking in my head that, you know what I'm saying, well, why gotta be yours? So I turned around to her, I looked her in her face, and I said, yes, ma'am, okay, I'm gonna leave them right here on the table for you. What you thought? So now I'm gonna just do the last little part. I was gonna look for like a shiny glittery letter S to go on the front here for her name, but I couldn't find anything I liked. So I just went to the interwebs and found this little label, printed it out, and now I'm gonna use some double-sided tape and stick it on the front of the box, and then that'll be the end of the DIY. So let's get it done.
And with that, we are completely done. See how easy that was? It didn't take long at all. It was super cheap. You didn't spend over $10 really, maybe 20 depending on how many flowers you put in. And that's the end of it. Look how cute it is. If you're not into DIYs, I advise you to buy a box of flowers for your loved one. I recommend Bloom. They deliver and ship worldwide, but most local florists should be able to do this for you. This is the winner of last video's DIY. DM me and let me know that you won, and I will be sending you your DIY kits and probably a little bonus stuff as well. I have way more last minute VDay DIYs to show you guys before Valentine's gets here. So if you like this video, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, make each day a great day. Now go be great.